What do the founder of a care provider connection platform, the CEO of a groundbreaking mentorship platform, and the founder of a cybersecurity company have in common? They all started with a great idea. Since 2012, SBE Australia has worked with women like them and you to build ideas into global, scalable businesses. Like Danielle Bodiner, who founded Carista, a platform that creates a place for providers to share their services and customers to share their experiences so people can find trusted disability care and support. Or Lucy Lloyd, the CEO of Mentor Loop, the online platform making mentoring accessible for organisations and individuals so everyone has a mentor they can lean on, learn from and rely on. And Susie Jones, whose company Cinch Security delivers policies, training and specific technology solutions to small businesses to build strong, tailored cybersecurity strategies. Do you have a great idea and want to learn how to test your business on real customers for real insight? Do you want to know how to protect your intellectual property to build value in your startup? And do you want to learn how to make structured and informed decisions about your business? You could be the next SBE alumna to build an idea into an industry-leading startup. Over 8 weeks in the SBE Explore Program, you'll bring your idea to life alongside like-minded, energetic, driven women while being surrounded by SBE's extensive network of talented entrepreneurs, investors, and industry experts. You'll learn from those who have been there and built that, so you can launch your business with your eyes wide open and your hands firmly on the wheel. You'll develop the skills, connections, mindset and confidence to achieve your goals and shape your idea. And you'll become part of SBE's inclusive, supportive international network that will help you take your idea to the next level. At SBE, we believe great ideas are only part of the equation. Get in touch with us today for the rest of the formula.